When shopping on the marketplace, there are a variety of filters that you can apply to make your browsing experience much easier. In this example, I'm going to show you how to apply the filters. First, I'm going to start by selecting the lead type. For this example, I'm going to select aged exclusive. Then I'm going to use the product filter and select final expense. Next, I'm going to apply an age. For this example, I am going to do 100 days. And then finally, I'm going to adjust the mile radius and also the zip code. As you will see, there are a variety of options that came up and the filters were applied, giving us specific results.